Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this Burgundy Valentine's Day makeup look. And to start out this look, we're going to be using the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions eyeshadow palette. And the first color I'm going to be using is the Burgundy shade. I'm going to be using this in the crease and blending outwards. Next, I'll be using the pink shade to blend out the edges of this look. Next, I'll be using the darker burgundy shade for the outer corners of the eyes. Next, for the middle of the eye, I'm going to be creating a triangle shaped cut crease, and I'll be using the Millani Concealer. And I'm not being too precise with the concealer because I will be shaping it more so with the eyeshadow more than the concealer. I'm just trying to create a base to put the eyeshadow on later. For the middle of the eye, I'm going to be using the darker sparkly pink shade and putting it in the triangle type area that we made earlier. For the very middle of the eye, to create more dimension, I'm using a little bit of the lighter pink shade in the very center of the eye. For the face, I'm using a light brown contour powder to contour my cheekbones, my nose, and my forehead. For highlight, I'm using the LA Colors Illuminating Enhancer in the shade Moonbeam. For my lips, I'm using a Maybelline lipstick in the shade Brown Blush. And that completes this Burgundy Valentine's Day makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.